Today we are going to learn about one of the most famous composers of marching music, John Philip Sousa. He's known all over the world as the March King. Who was Sousa? John Philip Sousa was born in 1854 in the United States of America. As a boy, he loved music and learned to play many instruments, but his favorite was the violin. When he grew up, he became the leader of the United States Marine Band and later started his very own band. A march is a type of music with a strong, steady beat, perfect for walking, marching, or even parades. As we listen today, see if you can feel the steady beat. Notice the bold, strong sounds. Imagine a parade or soldiers marching. Sousa wrote over 100 marches, and many are still played today. Today we'll listen to 3 of his most famous ones. First, the Stars and Stripes Forever. As you listen, can you hear the high, bright piccolo? And does the music sound proud or exciting? Sousa's marches often include loud brass instruments, snare drums keeping the beat, and bright, sparkling melodies. His music makes you feel proud, energized, and ready to move. Now, let's listen to another march, the Washington Post March. As you listen, is the tempo fast or moderate? And how does this one feel different from the first? Here's a fun fact. Sousa loved marches so much that he even helped make a special instrument called the sousaphone, a large tuba that wraps around the player's body to make it easier for carrying in a parade. Now, let's listen to the last march, Semper Fidelis. As you listen, can you hear the drums clearly? And does this music make you want to march? What did you notice about all of Sousa's music? Did the marches sound the same or different? Which one was your favorite? John Philip Sousa's music is still played today at parades, concerts, and celebrations all over the world, not just in the United States. That's why John Philip Sousa will always be remembered as the March King. Thanks for listening and learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos.